To start off, let me invite on stage Mr. K. Ruknudeen, Regional Sales Manager, South Sandvik Coromant, for a very interesting, useful presentation. And while he joins us, let me share his formal introduction. Mr. Ruknudeen is a seasoned professional with 29 years of extensive experience in the automotive industry and cutting tool business. This graduate in mechanical engineering began his career with Simpsons and Co. and later also worked with Maple India. For the past 21 years, Mr. Ruknudeen has been a valuable asset for Sandvik Coromant. Throughout his tenure, he has served in various key locations including Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur and Kolkata. Mr. Ruknudeen's extensive experience and commitment to excellence have made him a respected figure in the industry, driving growth and innovation at Sandvik Coromant. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. So good afternoon. So am I audible, right? Till the end, yep. So first of all, thank you Niranjan and Ramya for having us for this event. And thank you very much for the distinguished panelists. I think it was very insightful. I would like to thank Mr. Vishwanathan, Mr. Sendil, Mr. Shankar, Mr. Sandeep and Mr. Kirtivasan. It was really an insightful discussion, I think. And I picked up some points during the panel discussion and some words, I just wanted to connect it with my presentation. Sustainability, I think that was one topic which I think was discussed a lot. Skill development, agility and employee engagement. I think these are some points which I thought, which really, attached to my thought or I would say it will be nice to engage with all of you because though we are representing a core business here, none of us are talking what we are making and how to sell that item to all of you. We are trying to actually connect with you and give you a solution. So, once again, a brief introduction. Myself, my name is Ruknudeen and I am responsible for sales for Sandvik Coromant in the southern part of India and I operate from location Chennai. Sandvik Coromant, as many of you who are actually into machining or manufacturing would be knowing that it's a cutting tool company, way established somewhere in 1940s. A Swedish company today which has its headquarters in Sandviken in Sweden. We are about 8,300 people, employees globally. We have about 1,700 patents for the products which we sell to our customers. We are having sales across 150 countries around the globe. And the new products that we introduce is the core for our sustainability, if I may use so. So we spoke of, innovation here and Sandvik actually innovates, brings in new products twice a year. So there is nothing like 5 years, 6 years, 1 year, 4 years, nothing like that. So every 6 months, there is an introduction of a new product and this new product actually would replace our own existing product. Sandvik believes in delivering value to its customers through innovation and new product and we ourselves come and upgrade our product which should perform first better than my own product and then look into competition. So that's the commitment of value deliverance from Sandvik. And we have a very strong mechanism to check whether we are actually bringing these new products to our valuable customers and we see its sales ratio to our total sales and we very closely monitor that. Our delivery lead times are one of the best in the industry. So we are one of the pioneers in bringing the concept of distribution center worldwide and any articles that are produced at various production units of Sandvik worldwide come to a distribution center and from that distribution center reaches to you between 24 hours to 48 hours if the government mechanisms allow it to move very smoothly. So there are places where we can deliver items in 24 hours, thereby not adding any load onto the customers when it comes to inventory and your net working capital getting locked. Sandvik Coromant Center is a very, very unique offer from Sandvik to our valuable customer. And I am proud to tell all of you that this is one of the very unique offer a cutting tool company can actually provide to any of the customer. And also it is very proud for me to tell you all that we have this in Pune, which is our head office location in India. Now what does this Coromant Center actually do? This Coromant Center, we do have our own machines with which we help our customers to engage into the training programs. We have a calendar and we invite you all for the training programs. I would request and urge all of you to utilize that. This particular Coromant Center is digitally connected worldwide, and we can actually broadcast whatever we are training there to our customers to their shop floor. Plus, this also has an engineering projects team attached to it, and in case you are into any component product development, you can actually use this facility to build this component provided it is available within the envelope of the machine which is available with us. So, this facility in Pune is it's a unique thing which generally no cutting tool company provides, and Pune is a very unique facility where it's globally having the insert manufacturing facility, it has the soft tools manufacturing facility, it has the round tool manufacturing, it has the biggest plant of tap manufacturing facility, and also the Coromant Center. Except for GMO in Sandvik, Sweden, no other facility in Sandvik world has all this in a single roof. So, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to visit us in Pune. Now, coming to why we are all here. So, industry of course is going into a constant change, and now what is becoming more important for all of us is sustainability, digitalization, one of the biggest theme for which we are all here. Cost pressures for sure you are all going through, and we are also seeing that, and skills gap. So, as I talk about these 4 topics, I just noted them and I heard these same words coming from all the distinguished panelists and same kind of questions coming from the distinguished delegates also. So, this is going to be there and this is the future. And how are we going to support our customers in these areas? So, sustainability. When it comes to sustainability, we have a very, very strong mechanism of monitoring our circularity. The activities done by our own people inside your shop floor, we can give you a measurable report of how we have influenced your CO2 emissions. When it comes to digitalization, now Sandvik is very, very fast in converting itself into not just a cutting tool company, but a solution provider wherein digitalization is its part. Most of our products actually require a software support, and Sandvik has its own software development programs which comes along with our tools, which helps you to run the tools in the best possible manner. I will touch upon some more aspects of digitalization in my subsequent slide, where we actually are coming with some offers along with our cutting tool which can help you to improve your efficiency. Cost pressures are going to be there. It was 21 years before when I joined Sandvik, and 3 years before when I came out of my manufacturing experience. It was relevant then also, it is relevant today also, it will be relevant tomorrow also. And Sandvik always has showed a chart which many of you would have seen, that the gap between the price and the cost is called the productivity gap. And that has continued to be our motto to reach our customers. And we used to have our tagline as your productivity partner earlier, which we have changed to shaping our future together now. So, what we can do for cost pressures? Also, we can always be there with you in terms of improving your productivity, reducing the cycle times, and thereby showing you value wherein you can see that this is a direct tangible benefit to our customers. But at the same time, are we doing enough for our own selves internally to reduce costs? There are a lot of activities which we do to improve our own efficiency and reduce our internal costs as well. Now, coming to skills, what skills were required by our customers, by our own team members about 10 years back are no more relevant today, or not enough, I would say. They should actually scale up, or they should learn few more things. So, Sandvik is now acquiring so many digital companies, few of them which I would name here. The CAM the CAM products which are so popular right now, the products like Master CAM, Gibbs CAM, all have been acquired by Sandvik now. Now why are we doing that? All our technical engineers who never used to actually work on CAM, which used to be something sitting in the engineering projects office room where somebody used to work on the 3D models, is no more enough. It has to be there right now in your table with my application specialist who is sitting in front of you. So our engineers are being actually trained in all the CAM, and we are in fact increasing their skills to meet these requirements to be given at the shop floor level. We also have acquired companies like CG Tech. I think you might know this product called VeriCut. This is a verification software. We have actually acquired this company also. So we are actually equipped to give you a solution through them as well. So this is also part of Sandvik, and there are many other digital platforms which we are looking into and trying to have mergers and acquisitions for all those companies as well. So our offer is not only cutting tool. I think cutting tool predominantly Sandvik does not have to tell our valuable customers that we actually sell cutting tools, but cutting tools is for sure we are there. Of course, our knowledge, I saw the skills gap, the academy trainings. So Sandvik's training institute is called Sandvik Coromant Academy. It is a global organization. It actually has the standard programs for all our customers, and we certainly invite our customers. And I can also tell you here is that most of our learnings are also available on internet. There are customers who are directly joining onto online and attending to our courses. We actually give them an online test and they get a certificate also. And these trainings are, of course, there is no cost, but when we invite you for a more specialized training program in Pune, you can experience a bit more because you will actually see the live cutting. Now when it comes to services, this is what I would like to touch base more here today, recycling. So recycling, this carbide, as you all know, rare earth, we are speaking a lot about rare earth. The product which we are selling, of course, has to be recycled back. So we collect the carbide irrespective of whatever be the brand. I want to underline and say carbide because we should not add the CBNs, PCDs or Cermets and other things into it. The carbides can be picked up in weights from you and we actually recycle it and we try to put it back into usage. Our expectation is that we should come to 100% levels in another 3 years' time. We are very close to 80% today. And this plant, the global recycling plant, is also very much in India in a place called Chiplun in Pune. We do have reconditioning. We are also talking of payment per part now, which we were not talking couple of years back. So today we are kind of one of the most preferred suppliers when it comes to payment per part for our customers in the aerospace segment, not in the automotive as of now, but we have started in automotive also, and that's the message. Our value reports are given to our customers, our customer value file, and we also do Willian consultancy, and we also do sell our own vending tool logistics. So these are the services, and when it comes to digital product, from process planning, from data-driven machining, machine optimization, sensorized toolings, and verification software, these are also are part of now Sandvik's offer. What you get from us? What you get is an on-site support. You of course get an online support. We can contribute to you technical trainings for you. Our centers are going to be a very, very big value addition for our valuable customers. Now as I was telling you earlier, what all we actually do, if you see these products, Cimatron, Gibbs, CAM, Cribwise. Cribwise is a vending tool logistics product, and we actually, we have our own software which couples with this cabinets, and it helps you to reduce or manage your inventory much well. So we are capable to do that. Now believe me, these are the skill sets which used to be outside with some other company, but now the expectation is that our own people should know everything. So this is the skill set required by our own team, and then we are capable to give you these solutions as well. So these are all now Sandvik companies. What I mentioned here, these are all Sandvik companies. So coming back, what are the areas where we can actually impact our customers, or how we can be a value provider to you. First is, of course, um, staying up to the sustainability needs. I think we would be one of the best partners to any of our customers. We are somebody who actually are engaged with the global giants in their own industry segments, be it automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, anywhere. So a solution in Sandvik is always ready for any new development or a new product that is actually about to come, or we are working on it. So there is no waiting period. So our products are ready. Now, whenever there is a new demand from customer and something new is coming in any part of the world, Sandvik actually partners in development, product development itself. I can mention few of the big giants like Boeing or Airbus. Sandvik is directly connected with them when some new materials are being developed by them. Supply chains, probably today one of the most efficient and the best possible supply chains we have. Skilled people, of course, we attract the skilled people, but of course we also help you to enhance your skills of the employees. And digitalization is of course unavoidable, and as you saw, the fourth pillar, other than the one which used to be the main slide, has become one of the 4 offers from me. So digitalization is going to be the future. So if you see what is that is the situation in the which is coming in the future. So the objectives from our customers we have listed down very clearly. We are aware that these are the needs, and I think you will all agree that what we have put here has come up during the panel discussions as well. And what is that our approach is, how we are going to address these requirement of our customers, and from what would be our core and how we will reach. So we are actually trying to shorten the lead time from CAD to the delivery and improving your overall equipment's effectiveness. And our job is to optimize your machining process, and our approach will be this. So we actually are somebody who helps you to utilize your machines better. Now I would like to quickly take a couple of minutes on these 8 habits. I think if at all anything I would like to leave from this stage and you need to take back are these 8 habits. So what do the successful manufacturers actually have to do, or are doing, or should do, is that they should actually look into the holistic perspective. They should not look into a very small, through a small window. Embracing new technology, please embrace that technology as quickly as it comes. Always choose a sustainable path. Eliminate your waste. Unlock the potential data. I think data is something, now we ourselves, I would like to mention about myself first here, that we have so substantially changed in our approach internally when it comes to data driven approach. Every sales organization is actually now being aligned from the data that we already have into the system, putting our resources at the places where it is actually needed. So we are also moving very strongly on data driven approach, benefiting from strong partners. As you saw, we are now aligning with CAM manufacturers. We are trying to have verification software. We are very good, closely working with our machine tool manufacturers. So this is going to be there, and because we cannot have everything, so mergers and acquisitions are happening, developing your own people and automating for success. So please keep these 8 points in your mind, and if at all I would request you all to keep something from my presentation, would be these 8 habits. And what does this 8 habit actually lead to is manufacturing wellness. So what does manufacturing wellness means? It's nothing but a resilient, sustainable and a profitable manufacturing business. So that's what is manufacturing wellness all about. And manufacturing wellness pillars are the 8 habits which I just showed you in the previous slide. Now our promise to you is that the people, technology and knowledge to advance your business towards manufacturing wellness. This is our promise. And once again, just to remember these 8 points, take the holistic perspective, embrace new technology, choose the sustainable path, eliminate waste, unlock potential data, benefit from strong partners, develop your people and automate for success. So we implement the new habits. We believe this implementing the new habits will help you lead to a manufacturing wellness in your own production. So, sorry, just want to give you what we are doing with this. So, if we see here the increased number of produced parts per person in our from 2004 to 2018 in our parent plant in GMO, we have improved it by about 55%. The smaller batch sizes we have reduced by 68%. So, here what I want to say is that there is a very strong mechanism of going backward of products which are not benefit for our valuable customers, and still we are continuing to produce. We are stopping that, and we are trying to produce the ones which are bought by you more or which are delivering more value to you, thereby reducing it by 68%, and our shorter throughput time. So, that has also been reduced drastically by 90%. And when it comes to digital products and services, which is the theme, and I would like to touch this for a minute. So, if you see here, from design till the verification, we are available. Earlier, we probably were only perceived as a machining solution provider, but we can be there for process planning, operations planning, logistics, and also the verification. So, we do have softwares for the designing and planning. When it comes to engineering projects and camp services, we can offer payment per part. We do lean consultancy. We do have a product called Machining Insights, which can actually be loaded onto the machine for OEE perspective. We supply vending tool logistics machines and the tooling solutions for metal cutting and online technical support. So, this is what I quickly wanted to show it to you and end with this 1-minute video, because I did not want to touch a product, a milling cutter or number of cutting edge or anything like that, but I wanted to say that what the automotive customers actually can do with us.
You can eat 2 small cheeseburgers, read a comic strip, write a super short email, or you can get an idea on how to improve your production. With Sandvik Coromant, 60 seconds, starting now. The world is changing fast. Urbanization is growing. Population is aging. Climate is changing. Digital is happening. New materials are coming every day. Change is not easy. We need to lower emissions. Engines are downsizing. You need to craft new materials. You need to reduce cost per part without reducing quality. You compete globally. On top of that, you need to machine a component that is a geometric nightmare. Tough work. Together, we can take your production to the next level with dedicated milling cutters, with industry-leading anti-vibration tools, with unique high-precision coolant solutions. And we have the expertise and experience to map processes that will thrust you forward. We'd like to talk to you about component solutions.
Don't forget to visit the Sandvik Coromant website for more of.
Yes, so our websites are one of the most interactive. Please do visit our websites. All our solutions are there for our customers to quickly have a look at it. So please take the next step to manufacturing wellness. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ruknudeen, for the wonderful presentation. Please stay back. I would request Niranjan to kindly join me on the stage to felicitate Mr. Ruknudeen from Sandvik, Coromant.
Thank you so much, Ramya.
Wonderful presentation, Ruknudeen. And what I like the most about it, that you did not talk about the products. You talked about the culture and the philosophy. I would like to mention here that in 2018, I actually had the opportunity to visit your GMO plant,
Okay.
as well as the tech center in Sandvik. And I have also been to your Pune plant, Pune Tech Center, quite a few times. GMO I have been only once, but absolutely world class. And I didn't see any difference between the quality standards in GMO and the quality standards in Pune. So that global standardization that you mentioned is really commendable.
Thank you so much.
And the 8 habits of successful manufacturers will stay with me, leading to manufacturing wellness. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ruknudeen, you would like to ask one question to the audience?
Okay. Okay, I spoke about 8 habits. Maybe can somebody say at least 4 of them? Yeah, I think the gentleman there, I think he has raised his hand.
Myself Anmol from Salcom. So the 8 habits you talked was holistic perspective, embrace new technology, sustainable path, eliminate waste, unlock potential with data, benefit from strong partner, develop your people, automate for success.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Wonderful. Thank you, Ruknudeen.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you everybody for your patient listening. Thank you.